This is a sample. We don't have to pay for this, y'all. I'm about to buy some stuff here. The shrimp right there, too. Check it out. What else they got? I got the crabs. I got the low boil. Real. Yo, look at that, right? They are not. Y'all thought this was a game. They are not playing. Yo, these trees in Savannah are just like, it looks like New Orleans. Yo, we here in Savannah, David's Crab House. We accept all major credit cards. They got oysters, they got garlic crabs, snow crabs, garlic Dungeness crab, garlic shrimp. Simply the best. Let's go check it out. Yo, this crab place, yo. Ooh, they got the shrimp right there too. Check it out. What else they got? They got the eggs. We getting all of this shit. They got mussels. Try new garlic peanuts. I want all of this shit. I want the lobster. I want the mussels. I want the crawfish. Let's get it. They give me a sample tray of everything, y'all. My sister, she's so beautiful. Always the beautiful sister. Don't want to be on video, so mad respect to her. But she gonna give me a sample tray. I think that's, you said it's everything?
Yeah, everything in the showcase.
What is this right here? Is this conch? That's the conch right there, conch. Eggs too? You get the eggs? And you got the crawfish. Some people call it crayfish, but you know they ain't from down in the low country if they call it crayfish. You get the lobster too?
No.
She asked me do I eat kimchi, y'all. I said, what she know about cabbage, fermented cabbage, Korean cabbage? I love it.
No, that's a sample plate. You gotta taste how.
This is a sample. We don't have to pay for this, y'all. What's this, the egg right here?
That is the egg.
That's the egg, y'all. Let's check the egg out first. Then we'll go to the kimchi. I just left Korea like 10 days ago. Let's see. Oh, new spices. They already know. They playing with us, y'all. They done gave us a sample plate. We're sold. Just on the egg alone. That's the Dungeness. I'm gonna try the kimchi, y'all. Let's go for the kimchi. Kimchi. That's official, y'all. Somebody's Korean in this family. For real. Hold up. What was this you just put on the? I knew. I thought it was gonna crab salad, but that's seafood salad right there, y'all. Hold up. Wait a minute. That's good. I want more. We're gonna eat this mussel, right? Mussel. You got two types of mussels. What's the difference?
The green mussel and the black mussel.
Green mussels, black mussels. Uh-oh. That green mussel hard to get up out of there. That's good. It's all good flavor. How they do this, y'all? I'm gonna be full. I gotta get a crab boil though. And it's the black mussel. This is softer. The green mussel is a little bit gummier. It's chewier. Yep. How do you know? She know, y'all. She know what she talking about. Oh yeah, that's tender. What kind of crabs are these? Blue crabs?
So the smaller one is that's the garlic blue crab, and then this one is the Dungeness, and then of course that one is the blue crab.
And that's the crawfish. Okay. We're gonna eat the blue crab first, y'all. Let's check it out. I need y'all to know that's delicious. Really good. There's mad cars pulling up, people coming in. Crawfish. right, y'all. I gotta order something. Let's order, then we're gonna go back home and eat. Yo, look at that, right? They are not. Y'all thought this was a game. They are not playing right here. Oh, she almost went into the plate, y'all. Y'all seen that? I don't let her too, cause I understand. Look, I understand. Yo, it's just something about the hood over here, right? We on Montgomery Street right there. They got the little gas station marathon spot right here. 34th Street. Let's see what this little side street is right here. It's Kind Street right there. And this is the spot that we went to. Oh, that's a grocery store. The grocery stores here, some of them, like the little spots like this, may not be fully stocked. I just need y'all to know that. They got the trees with the moss on it, the moss trees. And there it is right there, David's Crab House. You definitely want to come check this out. On the samples alone, absolutely delicious. That's what everybody's saying is good, man. I got a low boil and I already ate the food. Y'all already saw it. Let's go! Alright, y'all. It was like $43 for both of the plates that I got. I got the crabs, I got the low boil. Look, man, I think this right here. Wait. This the crabs right here in this bag. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Got my napkins. J. Lane. Remember back in the old school, I used to always call you out and be like, J. Lane, I got my napkins. That was a little dirty. Anyway, boom. Let's check it. Get out. Look at these crabs, y'all. That's some blue crabs, right? They cut them in half. They seasoned them, man. They are delicious. Y'all saw the samples. I'm gonna just eat a few. Word and bone, yo. I'm gonna just eat a fruit. I need a seat. They cold. I taste garlic immediately. That's so good. That's some good flavor. With that garlic on them, you know? We got good crabs up north, but it's something about this garlic. We got music. Look at this, yo. Oh my goodness. That's only down here, though, in Savannah. They got the crab, sausage right there. That corn right there. Potato. We about to get in. And you got that crab in here, too, y'all. Look at this. This is all about that taste, all right? First thing is gonna be oddly into the potato. That's a red potato. You eat it with the skin on it. Very tender. The flavor that's going through there is amazing. Good. That's that sausage. That's that processed sausage. Oh. A little bit spicy. That's that corn right there. From that low boil. She could have gave me the middle piece of the corn. I got the tip. That joker good. I love shrimp. Got a little boo-boo in there. Got a little boo-boo in that tail. Look at him. Can y'all see it? Oh, that shrimp is delicious. I am in my happy place right now. I don't know where your happy place is, but wherever it is, please find it. Signing off from Savannah, Georgia.